It is a privilege for me to represent my country in Kenya. I look forward to a productive relationship with Your Excellency and Kenyan officials to build on our bilateral ties. President Vučić extends his best wishes to you and to the people of Kenya. We sincerely hope to host Your Excellency in Belgrade soon. Africa is a continent of the future, and Serbia is a long-standing friend of Africa back from ex-Yugoslavia time. We consider Kenya as a country with outstanding role in place in regional and continental frame. I have come to Kenya as a messenger of our readiness to further strengthen friendship and cooperation between our two countries. We will work together to open the door for greater bilateral trade and investments. We are ready to participate in the development projects in Kenya, but also to become one of the key centers for the distribution of Kenyan products. Looking forward to finalization of necessary legal framework enabling the employment of Kenyan citizens in Serbia. Belgrade was chosen to host Specialized Expo 2027, and we hope that Kenya will take part in it. I'm eager to learn about this amazing country from our Kenyan brothers and sisters, and to promote a greater understanding of Serbia, its heritage, economic potentials, and national priorities, including those in the context of preservation of its sovereignty and territorial integrity. Serbia is sincerely grateful to friendly Kenya for not recognizing the unilaterally declared independence of so-called Kosovo in respect of the UN Charter, international law, and legally binding UN Security Council Resolution 1244. Asante sana kwa ukarimu wako na sitaacha juhudi zozote za kuwa balozi bora wa urafiki kati ya mataifa yetu mawili yanayojivunia.
Congratulations, Ambassador, and on behalf of the people and government of Kenya, welcome to Kenya. Congratulations on your appointment to take over the huge responsibility of consolidating the relationship between Kenya and Serbia. And when I met your president, we discussed, among the things you have mentioned here, on export of labor from Kenya and see how we can build that relationship together. So I look forward to assisting you. And my officials here will work with you to make sure that you succeed in what you're doing, because in your success is the collective success of Kenya and Serbia. So, Ambassador, again, congratulations on your appointment. Welcome to Kenya, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you.
Well, that is the next ambassador. That is Danijela Kubrilo Matic, the ambassador designate of Serbia. Now, she has spoken on the bilateral relations between the Republic of Serbia and the Republic of Kenya. Currently, the president is being shown the embassy employees that are currently working at the Embassy of Serbia, and of course they'll be having a photo session as the next ambassador designate to the Kingdom of Thailand will be ushered in. That is Danijela Kubrilo Matic, the ambassador designate of Serbia. Now, the bilateral relations between Kenya and Serbia is traditionally friendly. Both Kenya and Serbia enjoy a cordial relationship, with Serbia having an ambassador in Nairobi, Kenya, and Kenya having a consulate in Belgrade. Now, the next upcoming ambassador is the Marcot Janakot, the ambassador designate of Kingdom of Thailand, who will be ushered in momentarily. You know that the relationship between Thailand and Kenya established their diplomatic relations on the 25th of July in 1967. Here comes the ambassador designate of Kingdom of Thailand, that is Morakot Jankumwat. She will be heading over, trying to give her speech and of course hand over her presentation of credentials to President William Ruto. Let's listen in.